Hi, my name is Baltazar and I'm from Paris. One word to describe my staying in Oxford would be enlightening.
My name is Mateo. I'm from Monaco, and my experience in Oxford is great because I have learned lots of different things in different aspects.
My name is Isabella. I'm from Peru, and my experience in Oxford has been great.
Hi, my name's Lucas de Waal. I'm from Belgium, and my experience at Oxford has been eccentric.
Hello guys, my name is Faz Marzouk Khan. I'm from Bangladesh, and my experience at Oxford was eye-opening.
Hi, I'm Mehdi. I'm from Morocco, and I really enjoyed this experience because it's a great opportunity and it can brighten my future.
My name is Natalie Makatsaria. I'm from Georgia, and I've really enjoyed this experience because it was really illuminating.
Hi, my name is Molena. I'm from Canada, and this experience at Oxford has been mind-opening.
So, hello, my name is Shaz Adnan. I'm from England, and if I were to put the Oxford Summer Program into one line, I would say life-changing, and that it's a big opportunity for people who are aiming to go to very prestigious universities such as Oxford.
Hi, my name's Abibri. I'm from the USA, and so far my experience at Oxford has been really incredible.
I'm Anna. I'm from Mexico, and my experience at Oxford has been a dream.
Hi, my name is Lynn. I'm from Poland, and my experience in Oxford so far has been really fun.
Hi, my name is Sue. I'm from Vietnam, and my experience so far has been really interesting and fun.
Hi, I'm Ramin from Pakistan, and my experience at Oxford has been absolutely fantastic.
Hi, my name is Grisha. I'm 17 years old. I'm from Mumbai, India, and my experience at Oxford so far has been great. I've made new friends from new countries, and I've learned new things. I've taken literature and psychology, and I really like both the classes because I'm learning new things. And so far I've enjoyed more than just the educational part of it. The leisure part is also pretty great. We've gone to a museum, and walking around the city is pretty great as well, and I'm super excited for the London part of the trip.
My name is Rashal Zarini. I am from Dubai, and my experience here in Oxford is just amazing. It's a true privilege.